In the prevalent situation vis-a-vis the legitimacy of different varieties of English, the dictionary assumes great importance. Legitimacy is defined in the Handbook of World Englishes as a shorthand for identifying and establishing the varieties of Englishes that are used in various locations around the world. What this means is that a dictionary is an evidence of the legitimate status of a variety, and dictionary is an acknowledgement of a variety. It's an evidence that a variety is developed enough to be acknowledged and recognized internationally. So in this way, we see that dictionaries have a vital role to play in conferring acceptability to a language variety. If a dictionary is available in a particular variety, it is an evidence that that particular variety is widely acknowledged. Dictionaries perform a number of functions for its users. For example, a dictionary can be used as a reference book or a source of information on all the aspects of a language item. Not only that, dictionary is also given the status of an authority on almost all aspects of the language. For example, if you are having an argument about the form, meaning, usage, collocation of a word or phrase in English, and you ask the question, is it in the dictionary? And the answer is in yes, then you win the argument, which means that the dictionary serves the purpose of an authority on all the aspects of English language. In this way, because the presence of an entry in the dictionary legitimizes the use of that particular item, it is a source of confidence for the users of the language. For example, what you think is right, and if that is present in the dictionary, then you should be confident about your knowledge of the language. So in this way, because a language gives a lot of confidence to its users, the dictionary gives a lot of confidence to its users. It's a great source of reassurance about the legitimacy of a variety. You can be very sure about the acknowledgement of the variety. If, for example, the words which are used in your variety of English are present in an English dictionary, this should be a source of great reassurance for you about your own variety of English. But we must understand that a dictionary does not provide recognition to the users of the dictionary as a part of a wide community of English language users. What this means is that if, for example, the words in your variety of English are found, let's say, in Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, it does not mean that you become a part of native British English users community. However, the existence of a dictionary of your variety of English is an acknowledgement of the variety of English. So a dictionary is the acknowledgement of the variety of English and not an acknowledgement of its users. So we see that dictionary serves several purposes for its users, and most of all for the variety for our variety of English, it serves the purpose of legitimizing that variety.